Now that I found you, I'm understand. Okay, let's see. Here we go. So we got back to back. Let's go here. Okay, and let's just make sure that that's my cold water. Cold water. Modify pipes. Okay, so let's try this again. Just trying to make sure that we have our analysis. What's this? Pipe insulation? What's going on here? Okay. Do I select it first? Draw? Okay, so just wanted to make sure that I was not sloping, and I guess I have to choose to draw my pipe in order for me to get what I need to look at on my ribbon. Okay, so right click, draw pipe, and there is no slope, and I have my cold water, and my system type is cold water. Now what I want to do is offset 5 feet so that when I come around to get my other cold water, it should be I don't know, easier. So that's there, but this is also, I think, critical in order for everything to work, to try and get my 1/2 inch pipe as close to my fitting, because there's an elbow at the bottom. There are 2 elbows, so I'm gonna stop there. Okay, and come out. My second lavatory. Enough. And make a turn, and it should connect into that was just judgment. I mean, it's possible that would not work because I wouldn't have enough room. So, but in that case it did work, and that routing is one of many, but it can get I don't know, congested, or I mean there are many ways to do it, but in order for it to fit, this is one way. I hope it helps. So let's do our hot water, and I'm going to come out. My hot water is going to, let's make a check. Hot water, and I need to change that to hot water, and I want to, like we said, I wanted to come out on the northeast side of in the ceiling, let's say in the ceiling space. So my hot water is going to rise 7 feet. Okay, and I'm going to continue here and in my ceiling space, but I'm in the wall space here, but I don't care what really is going on. Usually there's nothing. Let's say it's back to back, and somehow the contractor is going to get the vent up through here the hot water up through here into the ceiling, is going to get the cold water up. So all I'm concerned about now is making sure that my my fixture units which is part of the family, the lavatory family. It just it reads, the connector. So that's all I'm concerned about. However the contractor gets that up, and then from here, there's other information. But was that it? So, that was fast. So that's maybe I can do a third one. Maybe I can do a third one. Is there a third one? Let's see. So that one comes out where? It comes out at either the top or bottom. This guy, is there a third one? Looks like this. So I guess, okay, we got one that splits. So I guess I could do one that goes where the hot water is on the top and or cold water is on the bottom. I don't know. I guess 2 is enough. Okay, let's just for practice. Let's have so we have one that splits. So just for practice, let's have the hot and cold water pipe coming out and going toward the let's say it's coming at the southeast. Okay, so I'm going to create similar, and let's line one lavatory to the other lavatory. Let's pin these two, and we are going to come out to the southeast. Let's do this. And we got this. Let's make sure that's cold water. Cold water. Cold water. Cold water. And it's cold water. Okay. The cold water is going to come up. I'm going to draw it at 5 feet. 5 feet. Okay. It is not sloping. Okay. So let's come out this way. That way, yeah. Southeast. Okay. So, and again, we want to make sure that we get just enough pipe. Okay. And our cold water off of our back to back, we come out. Let's go here, and just because I know that what I need to do is get back, shift, arrow key. Okay, let's see if I can use wireframe just to see what's going on. Just a little bit more, just a little bit more. That's good. Okay, now I'm going to go back to my realistic view and tie, or let's extend our pipe. Should just go right up in there, right? So now for our hot water, we want to make sure we have hot water as a property. Pipe type, hot water. Hot water. And hot water is going to come up. Let's see. The challenge is going to we want here and 7. Let's go. Let's rise 7. here, and we are above, so we can here. And if we need to connect should be 5. Okay, I think what I'm gonna do is this one into okay. And let's go here. Just because. I don't know. And we go here. And I'm gonna go back to here because this pipe needs to come up 5 feet. From here. I think that will help. We go here. And let's go up 5 feet. Right? Okay, let's go back. Let's see what's going on. Okay, I think that's better now because that is above. I mean, it's not real, but it's just some things you just have to do, you know. Okay, now let's just see if we are still counting fixture units. We are counting fixture units. Okay, so that looks good. Okay, I think that we are done. What was that? 1, 2, 3. I did the first one, and these two I think will be 2 of 2 on the lavatory. Back to back.